At work, on social media, sports talk radio, this was a big topic of discussion today everywhere. Ballpark safety after a young Astros fan was hit by a foul ball during the Astros-Cubs game last night at Minute Maid Park. All major league stadiums have protective netting, but the question is, how far should that netting go? Channel 2's Brandon Walker is live at Minute Maid with that story. Brandon.
Yeah, and Keith, let's start with where that netting is applied here at Minute Maid. You walk with me, I'll show you. It runs here on the first level from sections 112 to 126. Both the Astros and Major League Baseball speaking through statement tonight saying that safety remains a top priority and they continue to examine whether that netting should be extended. But this is part of an age-old debate, with some saying they sit in those low-level seating to get the full experience and they don't want their view to be obstructed by netting. But others say America's pastime has evolved. It is a different game, and as such, that netting is key. Even watching from home last night, you knew something bad happened. At bat, Albert Almora Jr. of the Chicago Cubs, his foul ball flew into the stands, hitting a 4-year-old girl, crushing just about everyone, Almora included.
I was watching the at-bat and saw a line drive go into the stands.
Ryan Chavez sat behind home plate on the first level, not far from the girl.
Everyone in the crowd collectively holds their breath, hoping that everything is okay.
It wasn't. Reports last night said the girl was alert when rushed to the hospital. Now she finds herself the latest example in a long-standing debate in Major League Baseball.
This has been going on for a long time.
Tommy John Kherkher is a personal injury attorney and lifelong Astros fan.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen of the jury.
Last night, Kherkher took to his YouTube channel to talk the diamond and the rule of law. In some, yes, there's risk, and most case law sides with the ballpark. It's called the baseball rule.
So when a case like this goes to the court say, you went to a baseball game, it's dangerous, you should have known that.
Sure, if you're talking lawsuit, but what about safety? Kherkher says that's what's paramount, and teams should take note.
You know, I think it's time for the MLB and the Astros to step up and extend netting down the entire foul line.
Same for Chavez, who's attended Astros games since he can remember. That's him with Nolan Ryan in 1986, when the Astros clinched the Western Division title.
The game is progressing, and people don't pay attention to the game like they used to.
Yeah, and with harder hits these days, you get that growing outcry. As far as the girl's condition at the moment, the Astros tell us that her family has asked for privacy. The latest information we have on her is that last night when she was rushed to the hospital, she was alert, but everyone hoping that her recovery is swift and that her injuries aren't as bad as it seemed last night when that ball went flying. Live for you tonight at Minute Maid, I'm Brandon Walker, KPRC Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Brandon. It was the topic of our Click to Vote question today. We asked, should Major League Baseball extend safety netting at ballparks all the way to the foul pole? 62% of you said yes, while 38% said no. Now,